welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, I am Kritika here. Welcome. Namaste. Please join the family, subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get to the topic. Today we are talking about a website called Crease, which sells sportswear or gym wear, whatever you want to call it. Quarantine has done me bad, like really bad. Like I gained so much weight. I want to lose weight, and for that I needed motivation. So Instagram was like, here, you need this in your life, and it gave me Crease, where it was buy one get two free, and I really needed tights. So I went there, I checked it, and yes, it was right. It was not a clickbait. First of all, wait. If for women they offer you tights, t-shirts and sports bras, and for men, if you want to give to your brother, your father, and anyone, any male in your life, it was t-shirts and track pants. So now coming back to what I wanted to purchase was tights, which were for 15.99 or 18.99. While the collection was not a broad collection, but they had some good patterns. I stick to basic, but you can try whatever you want. So let's talk about, obviously I was first time ordering from there, so I was very skeptical. So I decided to order it on COD. So the COD charges was 99. So I bought 3 of the leggings, which came to 15.99, and the COD charges were 99, which the total came as 16.98. Yes, 16.98. So that was what my price came to. Coming to the delivery timing which they took, it was about 5 days or 6 days, not maximum than 7 days. And I live in a small town. So keeping that in mind, the delivery was fast. So because even Amazon, which is the best, and I have a Prime, it does not deliver that fast. So it was a plus for me. So I haven't unpacked it yet, and I was waiting for you guys to be with me in this journey of unpacking what a legging look like actually. So let's go. So let's get back to the unboxing. So this is my parcel which came, and it was written Crease. I haven't opened it yet fully. I had a sneak peek, but I haven't opened it fully. So let's do the honors. Not bad. Actually, it looks good. And it feels like it will hug you very nicely. Very nicely. Obviously, you will get to see the try-on part later. But yes, it's stretchy enough. Like the band is broad, so you will get a support, and it stretches. So yes, you will be able to fit in it. I hope I done. So coming next to second one, I told you I'm a basic girl. I went to basics. I did not try any of the camo prints that they have. Should have had, I should have. But coming back, so that was navy. Basic black. Actually, the material feels different. It's more of what we see as a gym wear cover up, and that was more of like cotton material mix, and I'm pretty much sure this is not. And again, broad waistband which will give you good support. Okay, stretchability, not so much. Coming to the third and last one. It feels like it is a mixture of both of them. How is it possible? The things I have liked about these is they have broad waistband which will help you contain your tummy and help you in working out. and there were many prints, and many of the prints were camouflage, blue, green and whatnot. I was not brave enough to try it right now, so I stick to basic. So you'll be seeing the try ons now, and I hope it fits me well. So yes, let's go to trying them.
The very first legging is of navy blue color and in size M. It is a cotton material, so it does not hug your body very tightly, but due to its broad waistbands it is very supportive, and also it has stretch to it, which is good. The second legging, which is in black color, is size M and it is a quick dry material. It gives your body a perfect hug and it is very tight. Also broad waistband again, which helps the tummy to be tucked in properly. I have worked out in this legging and it is too good to work out in. Third and the last legging is again in black, but this time the size is L, which means the waist is from 33 to 35. It also gets perfectly fitted to your body, but it has a little give as I have ordered it a size up.
Okay, so that was it for today's video. For me, what Crease was good about price, first of all, because if you go to good brands, it was a good quality. So if you go for good brands, they are like starting from 1000 and above. So for 3 leggings it comes around, with COD charges included, it came around 600 or something, and it was good. It was really good. So first thing, price, I liked that. Second, it was really good quality, like I appreciate the quality. Third thing that I liked was delivery timing, like they were so quick, it did not take any time. So yes, 3 ups are like totally up. So try out. If you want to know something more about it, leave it in the comment. Share this video with your friends so they can also order something if they want to. And yes, thank you for watching this video. Bye.